Once you've taken your 360 photos with the VRkit, your images will be saved directly to your phone's camera roll. Now you can either upload your photos directly to our platform on your mobile phone via a browser, or alternatively, you can transfer your photos to your computer using a USB cable. To upload your 360 photos directly from your mobile phone, open your phone's browser, such as Safari or Google Chrome, and then head to EyeSpy360.com. Next, click the menu icon at the top of the page and then click Login from the drop-down menu. Log into your EyeSpy360 account and click Add Tour. Enter a name for your tour and then click Proceed. Finally, click the blue Upload button and then select the 360 images you wish to upload from your camera roll. Once your 360 photos have successfully uploaded, they will appear as donut-shaped images inside your tour editor. You can then review these and submit them directly to be built into your 360 tour, 3D model, and floor plans by clicking the task button. Check out our How to Order a Tour video for more details on this.